First we have to create a part like this. It look like a nut, and then we have insert a one more part. So select a bolt and place it in a required place. Then we have to use the option, so go to the insert and select a futures, select move or copy. Body is to be moved, our nut is to be moved, and in a mate selection give the corresponding mate between the nut and bolt. Select a concentric mate and select our two cylindrical surfaces, then click OK. Then we have to use here one more option such as a combine feature. So go to the insert and select a futures, and inside the feature we have to select a combine option. Make sure the operation type is in a subtract. Select a main body. Our main body is our nut. Bodies to subtract, we have to select a bodies to subtract is our bolt, then click OK. Now thread cut in the bolt is projected on the nut. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, we will meet in next video.